Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting what the API needs, an API key and the authentication method. Once you have the key, store it in an environment variable so you don't hardcode secrets. Then make a simple GET request with curl or postman to the base URL to confirm access. This proves connectivity and reveals headers. Make sure to note rate limits and required headers now, because those constraints shape how you structure subsequent requests and retries. You now construct the real requests. Choose method, craft endpoint paths, add required headers and payload, and set timeouts. Once done, parse the JSON response to extract the fields you need and handle pagination by following tokens or cursor parameters. At this stage, implement retries with exponential backoff for transient failures and map common status codes to actions. Make sure to log requests and responses locally so you can inspect failures and adjust payload or headers quickly. You finish by optimizing and securing the integration. Batch requests or cache frequent responses, enforce rate limits, and rotate keys with least privilege scopes. Deploy your client with monitored metrics and alerts so you spot anomalies. If things go wrong, first inspect status codes and response headers, then verify timestamps and network connectivity. Retry with identical input in a safe test environment. If that fails, isolate by swapping the client tool, Postman or curl, to determine whether the issue is client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.